Hello everyone. In 2021, if we talk about mega projects, Dubai undoubtedly comes in the lead. Dubai have evolved over the years to become one of the world's most prestigious and popular tourist attraction. Currently, there are ongoing multi-billion dollar construction projects like the World, Aquaventure, Dubai Hills Mall, Museum of the Future, etc. taking place to ensure that Dubai will remain a top universal destination. The main reason Dubai is spending billions of dollars to build projects is to be a vibrant city. And in that ongoing multi-billion dollar construction projects, there is a project of Dubai Creek Tower, whose construction cost is more than $1.4 billion. And once it's completed, it will take the title of the tallest freestanding structure in the world from the Burj Khalifa. But the construction of the Dubai Creek Tower is on hold, and the main reason are said by the Emaar Properties is due to the pandemic. And what is the truth? Is the main reason to put a stop on Creek Tower is the pandemic, or there is some political or some other reason behind it? We will know everything about it in this video. So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. Yes, Dubai have built some amazing architecture like Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, Dubai Frame, the Green Plant, which are considered as the world's top architectures. But here we are talking about the world's tallest skyscraper with 928 meters tall, which is 100 meters more taller than Burj Khalifa, which stand at 828 meters. But if we talk using the official fact about the Creek Tower heights, it is not officially confirmed yet, but it is expected to be at least 100 meters taller than the Burj Khalifa's height, which is 828 meters. So, the Dubai Creek Tower height can be expected to be around 928 meters, and in the future it can go beyond. So, the construction of this biggest skyscraper will be completed in the future. The short answer is yes, it will without an issue. Let me tell you why. Burj Khalifa is designed as a residential hotel. On the other hand, Creek Tower will be constructed as a skyscraper to attract tourists. Let me make this more clear. Where the Burj Khalifa has 900 residential apartments and 304 luxurious hotel suites with highest restaurants, nightclubs, elevators and observatory desks, Dubai Creek Tower will have 10 highest observatory desks, including a pinnacle room with 360-degree views of Dubai. Here I am not denying that the Creek Tower will not have restaurants, nightclubs or luxurious hotels, but they will not even have half the number of options as compared to Burj Khalifa. As you can see in the picture, the width of Dubai Creek Tower when compared to Burj Khalifa. And if you're wondering why Dubai is spending their billions of dollars on this project, I will give you the answer for it. It's because of the Jeddah Tower, whose construction is in progress in Saudi Arabia, which can become the tallest building in the world with 1 kilometer in height. Right now, even Creek Tower haven't confirmed their height. It will be amazing to see who takes the title of world's tallest building, because Dubai doesn't want to lose this status of having the world's tallest building. This is the main reason Dubai has been focused on its Creek Tower. So what next? Will Jeddah Tower take the title of the tallest freestanding structure in the world from the Burj Khalifa? That's a story for some other video.